Hi ladies. So for tonight, I want to share with you a hot trend in lips, and that's vinyl lip kits. So let me show these off to you here. This is our nude vinyl lip kit. And what this is a gel lipstick that has a lot of shine to it. So you kind of get your long-lasting lipstick combined with your lip gloss all in one. So it makes your holiday lips super easy. So I'm going to try the nude one tonight, but it also comes in a lip kit with a berry and a vibrant red for those of you that are a bit more festive. But I find this works great for me because I can use it every day. So let me start first of all with the glowing neutral. So these are really great. It's got a felt tip on it that makes it super easy to apply. You simply squeeze up, get the amount you need, and put it on. So a lot more color than a lip gloss. It's definitely a lipstick, but more shine. And it's very moisturizing too. So that's the glowing neutral. All right, so the next one I'm going to try is the brilliant brown. So let me take this off. And I think these go great with any skin tone. All right, so let me go get this and do the brilliant brown. And it's not too dark either. It's not like goth looking. I'm using my mirror. There we go. I think I like the brilliant brown. I like them both. It's hard to say because this you could wear during the day too. So these are my new favorite thing. Your lip kits are $20 each, which is a great price. That's $10 a piece for these lipsticks. So it's a great price. You could break it up, maybe share it with someone else. And again, it comes in the red and the berry in the other kit. And I'm going to show that to you so you can see it. Here they are here. You have the berry and it's a vibrant red. I don't know that you can tell that in the picture, but if you have questions about these, let me know. And me or whoever your consultant is will get you hooked up for the holidays so you have beautiful lips.